All right. Hi, parents and students. So today I posted a weekly art project, and I'm going to show you guys how to access it and then also post a picture of what you did so you can share it with everyone else in the class. So as you can see, I'm under the channel that says Les Arts. And then once you click on that, you'll come up to this page and you'll see a post. And here I have added a link that will show you step by step. We're just starting with a simple directed draw. So you'll follow the steps on a piece of paper, and then once you're done, you'll be able to post a picture of what you drew to share with everyone. So I created a PowerPoint slide. So you see here it says Baby Yoda because that's what we're drawing. And you can click on it. And then here you see the PowerPoint slide. So I've already uploaded one, but I'll show you how to do it. So when you go to upload your art, you're just going to click on one of the blank slides and you can click your or type in your name. So I'll write my name. And then now I want to add a picture of what the art project that I did. So I'm going to click up here, insert. And then I'm going to look for pictures. And then I'm going to upload from this device because you should have already taken a picture either on your iPad or sent a picture to yourself from your phone. So I'm clicking device and I'm finding the picture that I took and then I'm clicking open, and then I can just move it around to how I want. Ooh, and you can do some different formatting if you would like. And then that's it. Thanks for watching.